ኧረ ግቢ ማለት
ምን እገባለሁ አስገብቼው ቆልፌ ባልመጣ እኮ ነው። እዛ ቁጭ ልበል አለች። አትቀመጪ እኮ ነው ያመጣው ማኢቲ ማ ትላለች ልጅ ያለ ሌላ ሀሳብ የሚኖረው ነው።
Hi everyone, salam new. Can you all hear me?
Yes.
Olia, Deefi, Soliana, Eldana, Biruk, Deborah, welcome all.
Yeah. Yes, yes.
So we had a nice session yesterday of chemistry, and we got good feedback from everyone. Thank you. So we will continue today with mathematics. Okay. So we have Gaurav teacher with us. Gaurav teacher, can you turn on your camera, please? Yeah, great. Thank you.
Hi, everyone.
So, yeah. So, as I said, we have Gaurav teacher with us. So he will be helping us learn mathematics from the basics. Okay. So what we will do is we'll make this session very simple, since this is your first session of mathematics. So Gaurav teacher will help you understand the importance of mathematics probably in your life, and then we will start with the building block, that is numbers, because mathematics is all about numbers. So we'll start with the first chapter with number system. So I hand it over to you, Gaurav teacher. You can start the session. I'll be here for some time, then I will switch. Okay. Thank you.
Sure.
I'll make you the host. 1 second. Huh?
Sure. I'm waiting for that.
Yeah, I'll just make you the host. It'll be easy. Yeah, now you can share your screen. Okay.
Sure. Thank you. Okay. So, hello, all of you. I hope I'm audible to all of you. Yes or no? I'm audible to all of you. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So let's start with the very basics of the number system. And why we are studying this number system? See, the number system is a very basic topic of your mathematics part, because we know that whatever we are going to learn in mathematics, whether we are going to take any topic, we must start with the numbers only. Okay, so we must know the basics about numbers and why we are studying numbers, what type of numbers we have. So we have to understand that we have basically how many digits? 10 digits are there, no? 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And using these 10 digits, we can create infinite number of numbers. Okay. This is clear to all of you, because after 9, we can start with 10, then 11, then 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and then again using 20, 21. So we can create infinite number of numbers using these 10 digits. So how many digits are there in total? Please answer, all of you. You must participate with me. How many digits are there in total? How many digits are there? Poliard, Eldana?
10.
10 digits are there. So we can say that we have 10 digits. 10 digits. So, or we can also say that the number system we are using that has base as 10. So 10 is our base for this number system. Okay. And we are using number system, not even human beings use number system. I guess the mathematics is a very basic, and if you study any subject without knowledge of mathematics, that is not possible. And I think that even animals can use number system. Do you believe this? Can you prove me that even animals know the number system? Even animals can count. I know that this is very strange, but how can we say that even animals can count? Suppose that if we have a dog and he has three pups, okay, and if I take one pup away from that, so he must be looking for that. Now that means he has counted that he has three pups. So that means even animals can count. So the number is the very basic, okay. And we have many types of number. We have natural numbers. What are natural numbers?
Numbers that begin with one.
Yeah.
Numbers from
Number starting from
uh,
1, 2,
other
3,
numbers.
4, 5, 6, 7. So these are all natural numbers. Okay. And why they are called natural numbers? Why they are called natural numbers? So let's relate this to the history of mathematics. See, when the number system was developed, there were many discussions about whether we are going to take which numbers are to be considered as the natural numbers, and very important discussion was there about zero, that whether we need to take the zero into the number system or not. Do you know that there are many number systems? Even we are studying about natural numbers, so there are many number systems, different number system. I hope you must have read about the Roman numbers. Yes or no? Do you know about Roman numbers?
Yes.
Yes, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3 according to Roman numbers, this is 10, this is 12. I hope you must have read about the Roman numbers, no? You all of you have read about Roman numbers? Yes or no?
Yes, some of
Yes.
it.
Okay. So do you have ever figured it out that Roman numbers does not have any number that represents zero? Zero is not there in any number, Roman number. You know? I hope you have figured it out. Because we have one in Roman numbers, 2, 3, 10, 12, and even any number can be represented in Roman numbers. But zero is not there in Roman numbers. Because there was very large debate, very even years passed for this debate, that whether zero is to be considered in the number system or not. So many mathematicians have their view that zero should not be there. Why? Because zero is a number that itself count nothing. This represent nothing. So how zero can be considered as a number system? So what they believe that there are numbers which are natural numbers. Natural number, that means they exist in nature. Okay. Exist in nature means, if I'm saying that we have 2 apples, so that means we have 2 apples now. But if I say I have 0 apples, that means that does not exist in nature. We cannot see 0 apple, because 0 is something which itself counts nothing. So how can it be possible that we consider 0? So that relates to a very long debate between mathematicians, years and years passed. So finally they come up with this number system that are called natural numbers. So they start with 1, 2, 3, 4, and they did not consider 0 in this. Got it? So that's why they are called natural numbers. Only those numbers that are included there in nature, and that means they are something that can be figured out. 2, 3, 4, we can figure out all these numbers, but 0 itself counts nothing, so they have not considered 0. But when they start doing mathematics using all these numbers, all these natural numbers, they found it very difficult to figure it out, because many things are there which need 0. Okay, because mathematics was incomplete without 0. So what they did, they derived a new number system in which 0 was also there, and then they said that now their number system is complete, and they can say that this is now the whole number system. Got it? So this was whole number system. Whole number means nothing extra, just zero extra in natural numbers, all natural numbers, and zero was also there. Is it okay? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
So
Yes.
natural numbers, let me tell you again that natural numbers are the numbers which are just the counting numbers. Okay. 1, 2, 3, all those numbers which exist in nature, which do have any significance. And whole number means everything, natural numbers including zero. So they are the whole number. So can you tell me which set is the greater one, whole numbers or natural numbers?
Equal?
Whole number.
Whole numbers, because whole numbers include zero also, na? So we can say that whole numbers contains more number of elements than natural numbers because zero is also included. So we can say one element extra. Okay.
Okay.
So can you tell me what are integers?
Integers are
Yes.
numbers that consist negative numbers and also positive numbers.
Yeah, we can say that all counting numbers, whether they are positive or negative, they are integers. Counting numbers, positive or negative. So we can say that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. Also negative number -1, -2, -3, -4, so on. Okay, just tell me whether zero is an integer or not.
Yes, it is
It is not.
integer.
Yes.
It is not an integer.
It is an integer. Zero is also an integer. All those numbers, whether they are positive, whether they are negative or zero, all these numbers are integers. But make sure they are not fractional numbers. Okay. We can represent all these numbers on number line. If I take a number line like this, we can represent any number. We can say that this is zero, and all positive numbers are on the right hand side or left hand side. Positive numbers are on the right hand side of zero or left hand side of zero? Tell me.
Left.
On
right.
the right
Left.
On the right hand side.
Right.
On
Left.
this
Right.
we have positive numbers, and on this side we have negative numbers. So we can say this zero, this will be 1, this will be 2, this will be 3, this will be 4, and so on. Same way we will have this is -1, this is -2, this is -3, this is -3. Got it?
Negative
Yes.
4.
We can say that on a number line, we can represent distance on number line. Okay. So if I say that any number which is at a distance of 10 units from zero, which number can be there which is from 10 units from zero?
What?
Number which is at 10 units. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. So it can be 10 or it can be -10 also.
Negative 10.
Got it?
Yes.
Is it okay? Okay. Same way, if I have a number which is at a distance of 7 units, so which number is at distance of 7 units? It can be 7 and it can be
Negative 7.
-7, -7
Or
also.
7.
Got it. So what we can say about this, that any number represent distance on number line. Okay, and what we can say opposite of a number. If I say what will be opposite of a number 6, opposite of a number
Negative
6,
6.
Negative 6.
Negative 6.
Negative.
because it represents again a number at the same distance but on the opposite side. Got it?
Negative 6.
Yeah. Opposite of 5 will be -5. Opposite of 7 will be -7. I hope this is,
5.
Negative 7.
is it okay to all of you?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Do you know what are prime numbers?
Yes.
What are prime numbers?
Prime
Even
numbers
numbers?
are numbers that has two factors.
That has two factors. Okay. And what are those two factors?
One and the number itself.
Great. So we have the prime numbers are those numbers which have only two factors. One is that number itself and another number is 1. Okay. Suppose if I say that we have a number 3. So 3 has two factors only, 1 and 3. But if I say 6, how many factors are there for 6?
4. 6.
4,
4 factors are there. 1, 2, 3, and 6.
3.
Is it okay?
Yes.
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 This 6 has 4 factors. What we can say about this? Is it a prime number?
No.
No.
This is not a prime number.
No.
Number has 4 factors, and for being a prime number, a number should have 2 factors only. Can you tell me how many numbers between? Okay, just tell me. Do you think 1 is a prime number?
No.
No.
1
No.
is not a prime number.
No.
1 has only one
No.
factor. Okay, do one thing. Just tell me how many numbers between 1 to 10 are prime.
9.
9, 7. No, 7 and 5.
The first prime number is
3.
3.
I think it is also a prime number.
2.
Yeah.
2.
Okay, and after
2.
3.
5. 5.
4.
3. 5.
5.
5.
10.
7.
that's
7.
it.
10.
That's it.
And that's
See,
it.
that's
No.
it.
We can say between 1 to 10 we have 4 prime numbers, 2, 3, 5, and 7. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm giving you 1 minute. You just tell me how many numbers are prime between 11 to 20. Tell me this.
11.
You just do one thing. You have a chat box. You just tell do one thing. We have a chat box and you just comment your answers in chat box so that I can be able to understand that who is answering these answers. Okay. Between 11 and 20, just comment your numbers which are prime. 4 is not. I got your point, but you just comment all those numbers. Which are those numbers which are prime between 11 and 20? Yes, Eldana, that's great. But I guess you have one number wrong. 15 is not a prime
15.
number. Yes, Oliana, that is correct. We can say 11, 13, 17, and 19. See, 15 is not a prime number. Reason being because 15, how many factors are there for 15? 1, 3,
4.
5, and 15. We can say 4 factors are there. So since 15 has 4 factors, so this is not a prime number at all. Is it okay?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, then just tell me how many prime numbers are there between 21 to 30. I'm giving you 1 minute. Comment your answers, all of you. "21, 23, 27, and 30. No, I don't think. Reason being, see, 21. How many factors are there? I think 1 is there, 3 is there, 7 is there, and 21 is there. So We have 4 factors, so this is not a prime number. 21 is not a prime number. Again, if I say about 27, 1 is there, 3 is there, 9 is there, and 27 is there. 27 is again not a prime number. So how many numbers between 21 and 30 are there which are prime numbers? So we can say one is 23 and another one is 29. Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this?
What about 27?
What about?
27.
No, 27. 27 has 4 factors, no? 1, 3, 9 and 27. Got it?
Yes.
Yes.
This is not a prime number. Okay, I'm giving you 1 more minute. Tell me prime numbers between 31 to 40.
Thirty-one, 37.
Comment your answers.
31 and 37.
And also 40.
E1 and 37. Any other number apart from these two? $39. No, 39 is not a prime number because 39 it has 1, 3, 13 and 39. So it has 4 factors. This is not a prime number. So we can say between 31 and 40 we have only 2 prime numbers, 31 and 37. That's it. Got it?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, tell me how many prime numbers are there between 41 and 50? Comment your answers.
43, 47. 43 and 47.
Any other number?
41, 41, 43, and 47.
41, 43 and 47.
43,
49
47.
is not a prime number because 49 has factor as 7 also.
Okay, 41, 47, 49.
No, 49 is not a prime number. We have 3 prime numbers, 41, 43 and
Okay,
47.
41, 43, 47.
Yeah. Okay, tell me prime numbers between 51 to 60.
51, 53.
51, 53.
51, 53, 57.
But what I think that 51 is not a prime number because 51 has its factor as 1, 3. 3 is their factor of 51. No? So this is not a prime number.
53, 57, 59.
57 is
53,
again
57,
not a prime
59.
number because 57 has its factor as 3. 3 divides 57. So 57 is not a prime number.
53 and 59.
We can
51,
say that 53 is there and 59 is there. These two are prime numbers. Got it?
Yes.
Yes.
We have only 2 prime numbers.
Yes.
And what are the numbers which are not prime? They are called? What are those numbers called?
Composite.
They are called composite numbers. You know this?
Composites.
Do you know this?
Yes.
The numbers which are not prime, they are called composite.
Yes.
numbers. So since 51
Yes,
is not a
composite
prime number, we can say that 51 is a composite number. Got it?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, let me tell you a very strange fact. There is only one number, 4, which has as many digits as it is as the quantity of a number. 4. How can we write it down? F-O-U-R. How many digits are there? 1, 2,
4.
4 only.
Four.
Okay. That's what we have written 4. Because if I write down 5, 5 means 5. But the number of digits used there are
4.
4.
4.
Only one number is there in number system 4, which contains exactly that much letters as the quantity there. Okay.
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 Okay. So we have covered the prime numbers. So can you tell me how many prime numbers are there between 1 to 100?
25.
1 to 100 we have 25 prime numbers. Okay.
Okay.
And do you know there
Okay.
what are twin primes? Do you know what are twin primes? Prime numbers which have only difference of 2, they are called twin primes. Okay. Like 3 and 5. How much difference is there? Difference of 2. 5 and 7. This is again a twin prime. Can you tell me any other twin prime?
11 and 13.
11 and 13, exactly. Any other?
17 and 19.
17 and 19.
17 and 19. Any other?
43 and 47.
7.
43 and 47 has a difference of 4. We need a difference of 2 only.
43 and 45.
But 45 is not a prime number.
47 and 49.
But 49 is not a prime number.
67 and 69.
We can say 41 and 43. Yes or no?
Yes.
99.
Both are.
99.
Yes.
Which one?
Yes.
Yes.
Any other twin prime?
67 and 69.
69 is not a prime number. 69 comes in table of 3.
61 and 63.
63 is divisible by 3. Again, 63 is not a prime number.
87 and 89.
87 is not a prime number. 87 is divisible by 3. We can say that 59 and 61. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Both are prime, na? Any other?
Yes.
101 and 103.
No, I need answers between 1 to 100 only. Any other apart from these?
71 and 73.
70?
1 and 73.
Exactly 71 and 73. Yes. We can say this is also twin prime. Any other?
Yes, it is.
77 and 79.
But 77 is divisible by 7. No?
59 and 53.
59 is written here. 59 and 61.
61 and 63.
But 63 is divisible by 3. So I guess it's done.
29 and 31.
29 and 31. Exactly. We can say that this is a twin prime. 29 and 31. Any other possible? Are they done? I guess it is done. Okay. These are twin
89
primes.
and 91.
Which one?
89 and 91.
81 and 90. No, this is not a twin prime. Reason being, because 91 is divisible by 7. Okay, so this is not a prime number. 91 is not a prime number.
73.
Which one?
71 and 73.
71 and 73. I have written that. No, this is here. So I hope this is clear to all of you. Okay,
Yes.
let me revise what we have covered. What are natural numbers?
Natural numbers are numbers
First are
that
numbers
begin with
that
1.
From
Starting
one
from
and
1, 2, 3,
that
4,
natural
starts with 1.
and so on. What are whole numbers?
Whole numbers are numbers
That
Start
start
from
from
zero.
0.
that from 0.
Yeah, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. What are integers?
Integers are
Integer having
numbers
numbers
that written
containing
by
negative
Positive
numbers.
and
We can
negative and
say
zero.
all counting numbers, whether they are positive
negative
or
and
negative.
positive.
Okay.
number.
And zero.
Okay, can you
Sir.
tell me whether 0 is a positive number or negative?
both of them.
Neither.
It
Neither
is
of them.
Neither
both
of
of them.
them.
Neither negative
Neither
nor positive.
Neither,
It is
neither negative nor positive.
neither negative nor positive. Exactly. So we can say 0 is non-negative or non-positive. Okay.
Okay.
And 0 is an integer. What are fractional numbers?
Fraction numbers are numbers that written a
Fractional
over b.
number is a number that is arranged in the form of a over b.
Okay.
Are numbers
Let's see
that have
that
numerators
quickly.
and denominators.
Suppose if I say that we have 10 apples and I need to divide these 10 apples among 5 students. So how many apples did each student get?
Two.
2 apples.
Two.
This much is
2.
clear. This is pretty clear. Reason being because if I divide 10 by 5, we will get 2. So each student
over
gets 2 apples. This is clear.
Yes.
But suppose if I say that I have to divide 3 apples among 2 students. So now this is a fractional number because 3 cannot be divided completely among 2 students. So we can say each student will get 1 apple complete and half. Got it?
Yes.
Yes.
It can be
Yes.
written as 1.5 or it can be written as 3 by 2. And if I represent this on number line, it will lie between which two numbers?
1 and 0 and 1.
One.
1
No,
and
no,
and
no.
one.
1 and 2.
And 2.
One
One
and
and
between
Five
one and
will
two.
lie between 1 and 2. Got it?
Yes.
Yes.
So any number greater than 1.5 that will lie on right hand side of 1.5 or left hand side?
Right side of
Right
1.5.
side. So any number greater than 1.5 that will lie on the right hand side of this, and less than 1.5 that will lie on the left hand side of this. I hope this is clear.
Yes.
Yes.
It-
So can you tell me any number which if I add to 5 will give 5 only?
0.
No, zero.
Exactly. And what is that number? If I multiply by 5, I'll get 5 only.
1 by
1.
1.
1. Again, this is correct. And what is that number which if I multiply by 5, I'll get 0?
0.
Zero.
0. Okay. And what is that number which if I add to 5, I'll get 0?
5.
Negative 5. Negative 5.
Negative 5. Negative 5.
Exactly.
Negative
So
5.
what I want to imply from this that if I add a to minus a, what will I get?
0.
0.
The number A.
You
Zero.
can
A.
say minus a is
0.
opposite. Minus a is opposite of a. Got it?
Yes.
Yes.
And what is opposite of minus b?
B.
B.
Will be opposite of minus B. Got it?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So how many digits we are using?
Yes.
What?
How
What?
many digits we are using in mathematics?
What?
Infinity.
We are using 10 digits, no?
Yeah.
Only 10 digits are there. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
4, 5, 6,
7, 8, and 9.
7, 8, 9, 10.
Nine.
And do you know nine is a very magic number? Why 9 is called a magic number? Because if I multiply 9 by any number, suppose I multiply 9 by 6, what will I get?
54.
54. And if you add these two numbers, what will I get?
9.
Again, 9. So this is a magic number. Okay, let us multiply 9 by any other number, say 3. What will we get?
27.
27.
27. And if I add these two, what will I get?
9.
9.
9.
9.
Got it? Let us multiply 9 by 7. What will I get?
63.
And if I add
63.
63. 9. 9.
9.
If I multiply 9 by 7, 9 by 8,
72.
71.
and
72.
sum of these two will be
72.
sum
9.
of
9.
9. So I hope this is clear to all of you.
Yes.
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 Okay.
Yes.
Now, if I say that I want to represent a number minus 7.3 on number line. So can you tell me on number line this will lie between which two integers? Minus 7.3 will lie between which two integers?
Between
Between
negative 7 and negative 8.
7 and negative 8.
Negative 7 and negative 8. Are you sure? Or minus 7 and minus 8?
Negative.
Negative.
Negative 7 and negative 8.
Negative 7 and
Can't
negative
be
8. Exactly.
represented.
Negative 7
reason
and
being-
negative 8.
The reason being because minus 6, minus 7
6.
and minus 8. So minus 7.3, it will lie something here. Got it?
Yes.
Yes.
And if I am saying that we need to find absolute value, what does absolute value mean?
Find X.
7.3.
If I say if we have a number minus 7.3, absolute value of minus 7.3 is 7.3.
7.3.
3.
We just ignore this minus sign. I hope this is clear.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes.
So we can say that absolute value just represent distance. Absolute value represent distance on number line. Okay. Why I'm saying it represents distance? Because it's quite obvious that if I'm saying that I need a point which is at a distance of 5 units, so it can be on this side or it can be on this side, but distance will remain the same. No? On right hand side it will represent 5 and on left hand side it will represent
Negative 5.
negative 5. So we can say that absolute value represent distance on number line. Is it okay?
Yes.
Yes, it is. Yes.
Okay, tell me one thing. If I say which two numbers are at a distance of 7 from 5. Tell me the number which is at a distance of 7 from 5.
Negative
2.
Negative.
2.
Any other number possible?
Negative
12.
Negative 2.
Any other number apart from minus 2?
Negative 2 or 5
Negative 2 or 2.
or 12.
Or 12. Yes, 12 should be your answer. No? because it can be on the right hand side of this or it can be on the left hand side of this. I hope this is clear.
It's clear.
Okay, let's try one more. If I say I need a number at a distance of 10 from 2, which number it will be?
12.
8 or 12. 8 or 12.
8 or 12.
Distance of 10 from 2. Which number it will be?
12. 12.
It will be 12.
Negative 8
Another
and
number?
12.
Negative.
Negative 8 and 12. Negative 8 and 12.
Negative 8, exactly. Okay. Me a number which is at a distance of 7 from -5.
2. 2.
Any other number?
2.
And negative
11.
A negative.
One number is 2.
12 or 2.
negative
2 or
12.
negative 12.
Negative of
Negative
Negative 12.
12.
Negative
12.
12.
Got it?
Negative 11. Negative
Yes.
12. Negative
Since I am representing a distance, that means this is absolute distance of 7 from -5, it will represent two numbers. One is 2 and the second one is -12. Got it?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Tell me then, do you think that 1 is a prime number?
No.
No.
1 is a prime number. How many prime numbers are there between 1 to 100?
25.
25.
25 prime
25.
numbers are there.
59 and 61.
And how many composite numbers are there between 1 to 100?
75.
75.
75.
Are you sure? But I think
74.
75 is not correct.
74.
74.
Why 74?
Because 1 is not a prime
Yes,
number.
because we have to exclude these 25 prime numbers and also we need to exclude this 1. 1 is neither prime nor composite. Okay? 1 is not
Okay.
a prime number and it is also not a composite number. Okay? And I have told you which number is not there in Roman numerals. Which
Zero.
0
not present? 0. 0 is
Zero.
not
is
present
not in the Roman number.
Okay.
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 Okay, then you just tell me. Okay, can you tell me how many numbers between 1 to 100 are there which are divisible by 2?
50.
How many numbers are
50.
there? 50, exactly. Half of the numbers are divisible by 2 and half of the numbers are not divisible by 2. And what are
Yes.
those numbers which are divisible by 2? We call those numbers as
Even numbers.
even numbers. So what are the even numbers? The numbers which are divisible by 2.
Divisible by
Let's
2.
say between 1 to 100 we have 50 even numbers. And the numbers which are not divisible by 2, they are called,
Odd numbers.
they are
Odd
odd.
numbers.
We can say between 1 to 100, how many odd numbers are there?
50.
50.
Odd numbers. Got it?
Yes.
Yes.
If I say between 1 to 51,
Yes.
how many even numbers are there?
25.
25.
25.
How many
25.
odd numbers are there?
25.
25.
Are you sure? 1 to 51, 25.
24. 24.
Are you sure?
25.
It should be 26 now.
Hmm.
Because 1 to 51, we have in total 51 numbers. And if I exclude these 25, I'll get 26 other numbers. So we have 26 odd numbers. Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay, then
Yeah.
tell me
Yes.
between 1 to 75, how many even numbers are there?
74.
How many even numbers are there between 1 to 75?
32.
72. Are you sure?
34.
I think that there are 37 even numbers.
No, 32.
Why 30? There are 37, no? See, if we have, okay, just tell me, leave this. Tell me from 1 to 20, how many even numbers are there?
10,
And how many odd
10.
numbers are there?
11.
They are again 10. Now, this was very simple because,
But there is no zero.
okay, tell me one more thing. If I say between 1 to 30, how many even numbers are there?
15.
And how many odd
No,
numbers?
12.
15.
12
15.
will also be 15. Got it?
15.
Okay, then tell me between 1 to 48, how many even numbers are there?
24.
24.
And how many odd numbers are there?
24.
Okay.
24.
Now tell me between 1 to 25, how many even numbers are there?
12.
12.
Exactly, we have 12. Great.
12. 12.
And how many odd numbers are there?
12.
13.
12.
30.
13. So how we have calculated 13 here? Can
30.
you- How we have calculated 13? Anybody? How we
25 is
came to
not
know that
even
there are
number.
13 odd numbers? We have just subtracted these 12 from 25. No? Got it?
Yes.
Yes.
If I subtract 12 even numbers from 25, we will get the remaining one and they are the odd numbers. I hope this is clear now.
Yes.
Okay, then tell me
Yes.
now between 1 to 75, how many even numbers are there?
37.
37. And how many odd numbers are there?
38.
38.
Got it?
38. Yes.
Okay. Now I'm giving you one question. You just comment answers, all of you. Tell me prime numbers between 71 and 100. Comment your answers in chat box. Prime numbers between 71 and 100.
Ada,
73.
I'm okay.
73 only. Comment all your numbers which are prime between 71 and 100. 71, 73, 79. We can say between 71 and 100. We have 71, 73, 79. Okay. Then 83 and then 89. Okay. And 87 is not a prime number because 87 is divisible by 3. Since this number is divisible by any other number apart from 187, we can say 87 is not a prime number. And between 91, it is 97 only. So we can say this much. Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this?
No.
Got it?
Yes.
Okay.
No.
Okay. Tell me one more thing. See, if I say that you have a book, and that book contains page number from 1 to 100. Okay. Or you say 1 to 90. Can you tell me how many times digit 2 is written in the page? If I write down all numbers from 1 to 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on, till 90. How many times will I write digit 2? Anybody? Do you know this?
9 times.
9 times. So I'll write down in 2, then 12, then 22, then 22. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 32, then 42, 52, 62, 72,
72.
82. 92 I'll not write down because I need to write down only till 90. Same way now for 20, 21, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 and 29. Got it?
Yes.
So how
Yes.
many times are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So 19 times. Any doubt in this?
No. No.
No.
If I say between 1 to 50, how many times will I write down 7? Tell me your answer. How many times I have to write down 7?
4.
4.
Times. 5
4
times.
times.
5 times. 5 times.
4 times.
5.
5.
One is 7, then 17, 27, 37 and 47. So how many times? 5 times. Any
5
doubt?
times.
Any doubt?
No.
No.
Okay. If I say between 1 to 100, how many times I have
No.
9? How many times I will use 9?
Nineteen.
9.
Times.
20.
19.
10 times.
20.
19.
20.
9 times. See, every digit is written 20 times between 1 to 100. Got it?
Yes.
Yes.
If I am saying that I have to write down 5, So how many times it will be written? It will be written 20 times. How 20 times? Because if I say at unit place 2, 20, 21, 22, so on up to 29. I'm talking about 2. Okay. And if I say at tens place, it will be 12, 22, 32, 42, 52. Are you getting my point? 10 times here and 10 times here. So it will be 20 times.
22.
So every digit will be written 20 times from 1 to 100. I hope this is clear to all of you. Clear to all
Yes,
of
it's clear.
Okay. So what we have done today, you just go through all these concepts. And in our next class, I'll take a short test of 10 minutes before we are moving ahead to the next topic. What we have covered today, I'll take a test of 10 minutes on this concepts. Is it okay? Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay. So I'll take a test of 10 minutes in our next class, and then we will move on to the next topic. So you just revise all these things which we have covered. So do you note it down? You all have noted it down what we have covered today?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. So make it a habit that what we have written here in the board, so you just note it down, okay? So that you can revise it later on. And you just go through all these
Okay.
concepts, and we will start with our next topic in our next class. But before next topic, I'll take a short test of 10 minutes. So be prepared for that also. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.